Hello guys, good morning! Welcome to my channel, Kachiko. Ito po kami guys at nagluluto kami ng breakfast. So, ito, si Mrs. Bunny, hi!
Hi. Yeah. Hi. Yeah.
Everyone.
Hi!
Hi everybody. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. Welcome to everybody.
Welcome to Kachiko.
What?
Ano guys, tawag nito?
Pancake.
Pancake! Oh,
We'll make
kumahaw.
pancake for the breakfast.
Yeah.
Wala, halungan pa. Lumong pala ito, gano'n.
Yes.
What?
Nothing.
Okay.
Hello, Andre. Hello.
Hello.
Say hi. What are you doing? Huh?
He's watching TV.
Watching TV?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, fishy. Breakfast naman guys is pancake for today. So, hindi guys sa Sunday. Medyo ano pa, marami pang snow. Flour with egg. Okay, lasong ko din. Lasong ko ito. Inom ko. Guys, yung ano. Tawag niya.
Ginger tea.
Ginger tea. Ginger tea. Ako ito, inom mo niyan.
Trying to find it. Andrew? Where is it?
So, yan na guys. Pancake for breakfast. Ayan guys. Ano yan? Brown, di ba, Mi? Brown. Brown flour. Ano?
Whole
Brown?
wheat flour.
Whole wheat pala. Ayan guys, si Mrs.
Hello, Kachiko.
Yan. Well, tama, sa akin, tama na yung isa. Ayan. So, every ano lang kami guys, every weekend, nagluluto ng pancake. Pero pag weekdays, kami mga work. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, coffee. Ayan. Ano dito mag-ihinakan?
Hindi ka hihinakan mo, uyang. Damon niya kan.
Ayan guys.
Ano na syrup?
Uy, ate sirap.
Ito pa dandaan.
Ha? Ada pa.
Oras malada niya, no?
Sirap.
Para sa naging palit mo pala kung osman.
Ano ito ya? Oh, okay. Diri. Diri.
Ano niya?
Parehas. Ano? Ano?
Butter.
Butter.
Parehas.
Butter ya? Oh. I see. Butter. Ito guys, yung nalagay sa ano? Tawag nito. Pancake. So, yun guys. Pancake.
Finish first this, Andrea.
Okay. pancake. Can I get the pancake? I want all
Sit
of them.
properly. Don't put too much
Well,
jam.
it's too sweet.
Yeah. From what?
Yeah. Guys,
Just what's
you're gonna be sick. You're gonna be.
Yeah. He said, yeah.
Hmm? B.
Yeah.
B. Good?
No.
Why? Why?
No sweet. No. Yeah.
No?
So sweet. It's burnt, I think. Oh. Yeah, it's good. It's burnt.
No.
Yeah.
It's good.
Sweet.
You like sweet, guys?
Yeah. It's so
Why?
Because it's tasty.
Tasty.
Yeah.
Too much sweet is not good, guys.
Sometimes. Really good sometimes.
You want this one?
Yeah.
Nila kami din nila ko.
Okay.
Wala
Okay.
matig ah.
Thank you. So guys, kain tayo. Breakfast.
Naglaon?
Yep.
Ha?
Yep.
Yun.
Yep.
Wala ka daw niya siya at naging buta. Itong isa ba yun yun?
It's good.
I'm free. This is strong. Yeah. Dry? Yeah. It's still dry. Still dry.
Okay, pour some more.
This one's dry.
Nagkaon ka?
7,
Yeah.
9, 8, 7,
Pamahaw na kita mga kachiko. Pamahaw.
How
Pancake.
do I?
Mhm.
Do you hungry? Huh? I don't want
Coffee.
to speak.
Simpleng almusal.
Okay, is that hungry? Huh? I don't speak. You don't speak hungry?
Mm. Good.
Sarap. Ito
A
po
little
ano?
bit. Little bit
Tama.
of Philippines and they're like a lot of times because it's English, so yeah. So like look back,
Mm.
it's good.
Good?
Yeah,
Just good.
yeah.
Mm. Good.
Lord,
Sige ah.
Chigolo. Longo. Hungry? Huh? Must
Pamahaw.
stop.
Pamahaw kita.
Yan guys, ang wife ko na maganda. Yeah.
Hungry?
Uri.
Must speaks like Chigolo. Chigolo.
Say hi. Hello.
Kamusta?
Ano?
Musta kayo?
Don't put them up in your mouth.
Musta?
Yeah. Kamusta?
Kamusta?
Mm.
Andre, say kamusta?
Kamusta?
Pangaon kita.
Kamusta?
Pangaon.
Ayun.
Saling pangaon. Yung
Pangaon.
first ko yan. Ito na yun. Say pangaon. Pangaon.
Yeah.
Pangaon.
Chumonon.
Say pangaon.
Okay, chumonon.
Pangaon. Pamahaw. Say
Pamahaw.
pamahaw.
I can't say that.
Say pamahaw.
Okay,
Pa.
Ha?
naon?
Yeah, pangaon.
Pangaon.
Pamahaw. Andre, your turn. Pamahaw
Ano?
kita. Say pamahaw.
Panahaw.
Pangahaw.
Panahaw.
Pamahaw.
Pangahaw?
Panahaw.
Mhm.
Hindi.
Yun guys, para matuto kuan. Waray.
Kamaon. Kamahaw na mo, 9:30 na. 9:30 in the morning.
Thank you for watching, guys.
9:30 in the morning and 11:30 in the Philippines. 11:30 midnight.
Yeah.
What?
At night time in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Hindi kayo margarine. Star margarine.
Yeah.
Margarine.
Yung pa niya Pilipinas. Ang dara ko pa ini.
No fun.
I only like into Philippines. That's when, like, sometimes, like, you just went and her plane, it just hurts my, like, my ears because it
Yeah, that's
hurts every time. Like,
yeah, I know.
it keeps
Keep hurt.
hurting. Yeah.
It's because of pressure.
Pressure.
Yeah, pressure.
There's more.
What does pressure means?
Pressure from the plane. Like, especially when you take, like, di ba maglalanding na yan eh? Yun. And it's hurt.
I'm like this. And then,
Yeah.
hurts.
You should
What?
have a gum so like this. Like that. And then,
And then
and para mawala ang
she's
one.
popping every time.
So you want to go,
What?
you don't want to go anymore in the Philippines, no?
I don't know. Go there again. Yeah.
Sometimes.
To go there.
Huh?
To go there again because it's so fun in there.
What's so
So
fun?
much fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. And there, that you just try open up milk there.
What milk? What more?
Because we did from
Yeah.
from our noodle. Noodle, yeah.
Which one would you like to stay, guys? Philippines or Canada?
Both.
Both?
Both. Yeah,
That's
both.
good. How about you, Andre?
Hmm?
Which one would you like to stay? Philippines or Canada?
Philippines.
Why?
Philippines?
No, no.
Why you
Let's try
say that?
both. Let's try.
Why Philippines?
Kuya, I
Both.
choose both.
Yeah.
Why Philippines then?
Your mom?
Mom.
Your mommy? Your mommy.
What's your mom?
Where's your mommy?
Huh?
Where's your mommy?
Iteria.
Serious?
Tataria?
Yes, Iteria and Churcheria.
Tataria.
Pizzeria.
Yeah. Andre's mom thing is Churcheria. It's like chips.
Yan guys. Say thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Yeah. Oh, bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.
See you next vlog.
Yeah, see you next vlog. See you next vlog guys. Thank you.